Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce Input Elements. Visualforce Input Elements display the appropriate input widget based on the type of field. Let's see the example. Input text. This is a basic text input field. Input hidden renders a hidden input field often used for storing values that need to be passed through the form without being visible to the user. So in this case the value is sending to the user but it is not visible. So this type of value we need some situations. Input secret renders a password input field where the encrypted text is masked, commonly used for password or sensitive information entry. So like we are providing the password or Aadhaar card, we need to mask first 12 digit and we have to show last 4 digit, this kind of value. Input checkbox renders a checkbox input field, can be used for boolean data, true or false values. Input text area renders a multi-line text input field used for longer text inputs such as descriptions or comments. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So click on setup, gear icon, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So we need to click on file, new, Visualforce page. So I am putting the name Visualforce Input Elements. Click OK. So in this Apex page, Apex form and in Apex page block title input components. In page block section, I am providing this all the values, output label, input text, and here Apex input text. Input hidden, Apex input hidden. Input secret, Apex input secret. Input checkbox, Apex input checkbox. Input text area, Apex input text area. We need to save this Visualforce page and click on preview button. So how it is looking like, input components and input text. Here we are providing the input text name, like here I am providing Hyundai Private Limited. Input hidden, it is hidden values. Input secret, if I am providing any value it is not visible. Input checkbox, if we need to check it or uncheck it. Input text area is for description or comments values. Description means we can provide here any long range value. Thank you.